The family gathers in their cozy living room, wrapping themselves in blankets while sharing comforting tales of their colds. The mother lovingly comforts her child, creating a nurturing atmosphere amid the cough syrup and tissues scattered around. A warm bowl of homemade chicken soup sits on the table, representing the loving effort to soothe the family during their time of illness. The young child holds a warm mug of herbal tea, finding solace in its comforting warmth during their cold. The fireplace crackles softly in the background, creating a warm and inviting environment for the family as they recover together. The mother gently applies soothing balm to her child's chest, reflecting the deep bond and care they share in this time of need.